Hey, GI Customs here again. This week we got a brand new series doing the Classified Tomahawk. So this is 3D printed. I 3D printed it. It is with files from Steve's Toys. I sell these. Got the commercial license from Steve for these. So if anyone else wants one or get through this episode and want to check it out, see if you can add one to your collection, definitely stop over at gicustoms.com. I do have it up for commission sale up there, so get yourself in one. It takes about, month, 3 months, depending on how much I got going on to get one done and finished, but I've done several of these now. This is also a commission, so this is for actually a guy that purchased this that flies Chinook helicopters in the Army, which is really cool. So he's been waiting on this for a little while, so I'm going to get it done here for him and ship it out. But going forward, so print all these in a tan color if you want exact colors and brands and everything of that. Let me know in the comments and I'll try to get that info to you. But I leave most of the outside the tan from the printed color from the filament. But I go the extra mile and do the interior gray. I know the original toy wasn't this. Obviously, if you've been watching my stuff, you know by now that I don't keep things very specific to the old toys. Take them as ideas and everything, but usually put my own spin on it a little bit and make them more detailed, more realistic, kind of classify them up, if you will. But I paint the interiors gray, and my little bit of research on military helicopters, most of the interiors seem to be a shade of gray. Here, you'll see I detail all the gauges and stuff. This is just the first pass, so everything you see in this video, pretty much on all fronts, will just be the first pass on stuff. I'll definitely come back with washes, with more detail, highlights, all that will be in the next couple episodes. I'm hoping to keep this one to maybe 3 episodes, maybe 4 episodes. So colors are already there. A lot of the interior colors are going to be a basic black. Something you'll see here at some point later in the video is I do spray all the black stuff with a matte black spray. It helps the detail paint and everything to adhere a little better. Just gives it a better finish overall. So we'll see that here in a little bit. Explains that. But everything else, definitely let me know in the comments what you're thinking. If it's something you'd be interested in, check out my website. I'll have that link down in the description. And anything else, hit me up in the comments. Let me know your questions, comments. If things you didn't like, things I could do better, or anything like that. So definitely subscribe and like. Helps me out a ton. It helps me to keep doing these videos. And so thanks again. Enjoy the rest of it.